Aquarius, the aliens! This is your channel messages for the 15th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Aquarius, this is your channel song. Hey, you know, it's Bobby Valentino, man. You know how we do it here, man. Man, I just make a gorgeous ass guy. Saw you walking down on Melrose. You looked like an angel straight out of heaven, boy. I was blown away by your sexiness. All you have to do is catch up to me, slow down. I just wanna get to know you, but don't turn around, cause that pretty round thing looks good to me. Oh, slow down, never seen anything so lovely. Now turn around and bless me with your beauty, cutie. I want you to say, why are you walking so fast? I cannot admire your beauty if you're walking so fast. Oh my God. And God knows I love to watch you work. Work it! I'm joking, right? Yes, I'm getting slow down, boy. I just wanna get to know you, but don't turn around because I'm gonna get shy. Slow down, never seen anything so beautiful. Please, when you go home, thank your mother and father. So mom, dad, I know I don't thank you enough, but I just want to say, Dad, I'm grateful for your balls, okay? Thank your mother and father, because if I never for them, you would not be here. So, guy, slow down, Jesus Christ, I just want to smell you. Don't turn around, though, because if you turn around, then you're going to see me looking at you. So slow down, I never seen anything so beautiful, so halal. Don't turn around and bless me with you. I have been blessed with the cuteness. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. AQUARIUS, the angels. Let's go. Ooh. We got the Ace of Pentacles coming on first. So I'm getting somebody wants to give something to you. I just want to give something to you. So turn around. Maybe that's what it is. I'm getting every time somebody come up to you to give something, your back turn to them. And they're like, should I? Oh no. Okay, this is not a good time. I feel like someone's like, I should just walk up to them and hug them from behind. Like you have these thoughts. I'm getting every time you need to go to somebody, then back turn to you. And you don't know if you should be like, excuse me, or just admire the view. I don't know. We have the Eight of Cups. You leave again. Every single time you give somebody something, then back is turned to you. And you just leave. Because you don't want them to turn around. I'm getting you're going to get nervous. Or I'm getting you're going to like, no, never mind. What happening? What happening? Yeah, I'm getting you scared. Yeah, literally. Like her back is turned to you, literally. I'm getting you so scared. This is how the cards are. I'm getting you scared. Every time you must get her something, her back turned to you. Maybe you walk in the room and you hear her say, listen, the next girl who fucks with me, I'm going to break their fucking neck. And you're like, oh, that's my cue. Like, I don't know, as you go in the room, you hear her saying something and you're like, oh, not a good time. Or I'm getting slowed down. You talk too fast. We can't hear you. We can't give you what we need to give you because we can't understand you. Est-ce que tu comprends pas maintenant? Tu dis parle anglais. Parle anglais. Je parle anglais. Et qui? Et quoi? Tu dis, oh, je ne comprends pas. Oh, tu parles vite. Oh, tu parles lentement. Oh, tu parles? Right? Okay. Maintenant, je parle français. Est-ce que tu comprends pas? No. So, accept my accent. Please, okay? Let's go. So I'm getting, every time you forgive her something, is it that she in defense or you feel like this is not a good time? I feel like you're dealing with a Queen of Swords. Aquarius, you deal with Aquarius. Okay? Somebody could look pissed off, but they're actually doing okay. And we have an Empress also. Or I'm getting you to talk to this woman about her. This is a Taurus. We can say it's Libra, but we're going to say it's Taurus according to Google. We're going to say it's Taurus. Now, Libra, remember we were talking about the whole fact that Venus rules Libra and Taurus, right? But the Justice card, Libra is not Venus, it's a Libra. This is Libra. This is Taurus. And even though Taurus and Libra can share this card, you wouldn't do a reading and put this and say this is a Libra over Taurus in any reading. Maybe if it's a Libra reading and you see this come out, your mind can say, okay, Libra, this is you. Otherwise, this is Taurus's card. It's not Libra. And Taurus came first, so it still cannot be Libra card. Because remember, I said Libra and Virgo used to, when Libra and Virgo was together, and when Libra must look like said they never want to wait till marriage to get the ring, for Libra and Virgo decided to split the fuck up, right? Because the Virgin was the one who was covered with the scales. So I don't know if no man not get her no ring before them get her, or should I give her a pussy before the ring? Either way, Virgo and Libra was no longer. And now you want to say the law is now Libra? No, it's Taurus. Stop it. Stop it. Taurus is earth sign, Libra ear, Libra communication. Even if it rule Venus, it's love language. It's Taurus. Stop it. I know you want to be an Empress a lot, but you are a Libra, you are an Aquarius, you are a Gemini. Stop it. This card is the only card of Taurus. So I don't know what I try to say. This is me. No, it's not. No, the fuck it's not. No, the fuck it's not. Them try, yeah, I'm you, you're me. Yeah, we're both the same person. We're both on the same league. No, listen, no. Listen to me. Do not compare yourself to me. You're not on my level. You will never be on my level. So I don't know who's trying to rewrite history or recreate themselves to feel blood clot better. I'm sorry you want to feel better. Go to the Justice card if you want to feel better. Go to the King of Swords if you want to feel better. But you will not take Taurus's card and say it's Libra. It's not Libra. Stop it. Libra ear. And we are the Four of Swords. Yeah, exactly. Stop it. Stop it and go sit down. Stop it and go back to the drawing board and think about what you're going to say before you say it. Because you don't want to look bad on camera, right? You don't want anybody to see you on camera looking bad. You don't want them to see your flake. You don't want them to see your hair not done, right, Libra? Because that is Aquarius. We're doing Aquarius reading, right? You don't want people to see your face because you don't look pretty for the camera. You feel ugly. You don't like it. People can't see the raw, natural you. I don't know if I call you the blood clot spell work and you can't show your fucking eye them. Or you feel insecure as fuck. You don't want to show your face no more. You can't bother get up. You can't bother dress up. You don't want that no more. Yeah, because you try to teeth blood clot Taurus beauty. You're trying to steal Taurus's title. That's why you're faceless now. Because all those years when you were showing your face, you tried to be a fucking empress. You were not an empress. You were a king of fucking swords. That's why every time you say something and you feel like you say something cringy, you feel so cringy. Because you're like, wow, how will people see me today? Taurus don't care about that. So I'm getting you're going to have to go back and meditate, Libra, because you're an air sign. So go back and meditate on what it is. I don't know if this is Aquarius. And Aquarius are going to step up and try to compete against you. They're sending an Aquarius to compete against fucking Taurus. Right. Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles, another Taurus again. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, the highest exaltation of Taurus. So I don't know which bitch or which motherfucking sorry ass she want to take your role or she want to take your place. Tell her so she can never take your blood clot place. She can never take your place. Now somebody might be just jealous of you, maybe that's what it is, but she cannot take your place. We're literally getting somebody to wear your ID badge. Your ID badge with your name and everything, somebody will wear it and I walk around with it. One more. Yeah, the 9, yo, know them scared now. Oh, no, you're on edge now. Yeah, duh. You can't claim, you're claiming a card and you show no possessive skills of the card. You want everything you write down, everything you make sure you set to a T, you make sure people take it serious. I don't want people to see me as a pussy. I want to say this. Yeah, because you are an air sign. You're not love. You don't come from love. People who come from love will come on camera, mash up the blood clot. And here their partner says, sweetie, I will take you. Even though you look so bad, I still love you so much. That is what Venus is. That is what Taurus is. As soon as you stop praising an air sign, they turn their back on you. That's how air signs are. Taurus don't say so. They will always remember the good deed you did for them. Because they are empress. That means Venus. So I don't know which air sign want to rewrite this shit and take it from the earth. Sweetie, stay in your lane. Stay in your motherfucking lane. Or maybe somebody's an air, me getting you on one air sign, somebody else is an earth sign. And of course, the earth signs may seem very submissive. Them don't want to rock the boat too much, blah, blah, blah. The air signs seem very cerebral. Them very political, very politically correct, right? But me getting, remember, fear evolve, Pokemon, fear evolve form, or final evolve form, a she. And she don't need to come out and show this when you're trying to talk about who is more intelligent. She don't need to show you Venus. You're not talking about Venus. You're talking about Mercury. And you're talking about other planets. So she don't need to show you the ultimate. Or, I don't know, maybe you met the Taurus and the Taurus was so fucking beautiful. You were like, shit, I'm really not the Empress. Taurus really is the Empress. So you went back and you had your face. I'm getting that's why you're obsessed with yourself so much. Because you're convinced yourself that you're the Empress. You're not. Taurus is. Stop it. I don't know if the alien had to remind you that. Did the alien have to remind you that? And then all of the next dirty blood clot half on talking about what is this alien thing? What is this alien thing? What the fuck the planets them there? Them there in a fucking space. Okay. Human there in a space? No. Them there in a space. So you don't tell me, you don't question me as to why I have aliens in my fucking readings when we're basing everything on planets. The aliens gave us astrology. Humans didn't. You remember those little carvings in the pyramids of alien ships and they used to carve things, remember? Little carving drawing they used to draw to leave messages. They gave us astrology. They gave us the Aya Horus. They came down and told the Egyptians about all of this shit up there. You think a blood clot tree man? Tree man that never had a fucking... He's a tree of cups. Make them tell us a tree blood clot wise man. Three wise man discovered the blood clot planet. Make them tell you that. Our three wise women. Either fucking way, the women is now being praised right now. So, yes, one more. The Queen of Cups. So, I don't know what it says. All I know is something does not smell right. The Hierophant. You are not Libra. I'm sorry. You are not the Empress. Taurus is. Not only is Taurus the Empress, Taurus is the Hierophant. You don't just jump gone from blood clot earth to ear, so that's what you thought. That's what you thought. Sweetie, Taurus people don't understand how fucking intelligent and scary a Taurus really is. They don't understand that. It wouldn't even fathom a lot of zodiac signs as to how intelligent Taurus is. And Taurus card is the Hierophant, right? The Pope, and it is the Empress. That's the representation of Taurus. So next time you think a Taurus can do the job, the Taurus submissive. Oh, the Taurus is always boring in the back while all the other zodiacs are talking, yeah. That's why your boss do too. He watches employees talk to each other while he sits at the back and does this. So I don't know what the fuck you thought, but sweetie, that's not your name. That's not you. That's not your face. That's not your sign. That's the Hierophant. Stop it. Don't do that. I was innocent. Passport. Bright future. And more. Wheel of Fortune. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.